canvas bright with hues galore. The sea breathes in a rhythmic sigh as the sun ascends the morning sky. Eden calls along the shore. Tales of old and so much more we dance where land and waters meet. In Eden's heart our souls take seat. Slumber deep to find the bay in beauty steep, boats nodding gently on the way. A day of salt spray to pray. Twofold bay awash with light reflects the morning pure and bright, where dolphins dance and seals may play in the cradle of the break of day. As wings pull a the skies that hold it dear, rock pools teem with life unseen, and crevices where shadows lean. Eden calls along the shore. Tales of old and so much more we dance where land and waters meet. In Eden's heart our souls take seat. Near the fisher's quay, a comet beside so far.